Hi, in this video I will show you the right twist and the left twist stitches. Let's see first the right twist. This is very similar to a simple two-stitch cable, but is simpler to knit. So first you will knit the first two stitches together, but leave the stitches on the left needle, then knit the first stitch again, and now you can slip the stitches off the needle. As you can see, the second stitch and the first stitch change their position. Let's see it again. Knit the two stitches together and knit the first stitch again and slip off the needle. Now the left twist, we will knit the second stitch on the needle in the back loop first, and leave both stitches on the left needle. Then, as before, we knit the first stitch on the left needle, and now we slip both stitches from the left needle. See? Now again, knit the second stitch through the back loop and knit the first stitch, and now slip the stitches off the needle. I will show the next row how it looks like. Here's the first right twist, the second right twist, first left twist and the second left twist. I hope this video helped for you. If you have any questions about it, something was not clear enough, then please write me. And also, if you have a wish what you would learn from me. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos. See you next time. Bye!